One of the first things you're gonna wanna do when you get your Sourdough Sidekick is to connect it. Let's find out why. Connecting your Sourdough Sidekick will give you three things. The first is my personal favorite. It will auto set the day and time. So if the power ever goes out or you unplug it, you never have to manually set the day and time again. Thing number two that connecting gets you is software updates. By connecting your Sourdough Sidekick to Wi-Fi, you enable it to receive updates or new features that we develop in the future. Thing number three that connecting your Sourdough Sidekick gets you are awesome alerts. When you get your Sourdough Sidekick, you'll connect it to Wi-Fi and download the SmartHQ app. Through SmartHQ, you're gonna get notifications like when auto mode is complete and your starter is ready. So those are three great reasons to connect your Sourdough Sidekick. And speaking of three, let's go hear from Rick about our three modes.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about the three modes in the Sourdough Sidekick. I've talked about these before, but I wanted to really kind of jump in and talk about them a little more for those that maybe don't understand or haven't seen those other videos. Mode one, auto mode. You think of this as the least hands-on that you can possibly be with your starter. You tell it how much you want, when you want it, and you put a seed amount in there and it will grow it for you to the amount you want when you want it. The simplest mode that's in the product. Mode number two, by ratio. So if you maintain a starter, you probably think about ratios. So 1 part starter to 1 part flour to 1 part water. So let me give you numbers. Let's say it's 50 grams of starter. You would then add 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour. That's a 1 to 1 to 1. Feeding by ratio is really for, I would say, more experienced bakers that are gonna be around to maintain, because you are gonna have to interact with it probably once a day or every couple of days at the longest, depending on the amount of seed you put in and the ratio you choose. It does require some maintenance, but the beautiful thing is that it maintains the ratio for you, so you can kind of eliminate that part of the maintenance process. The final mode is by mass. So this is where you are dialing in a very specific feeding. And this, again, is probably for more advanced bakers or those that want to just experiment. In this case, I'm going to tell it how much starter and precisely how much flour and how much water. So I can adjust hydration levels with this by mass mode. I can grow a new starter from scratch using this by mass mode. That's what we use typically when we grow a new starter from scratch. So it's in there just to give you options. We want you to be able to feed in a way that makes sense for you. Our goal is for this product to be useful for all types of sourdough bakers and sourdough lovers, and we want it to kind of serve you in a way that makes sense for you.
We love giving these updates. Thanks for watching. If there's something you'd like to see us cover in the future, drop it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.